The call history is a list of all the calls made to and from your organization. To navigate to the call history, click the call history icon in the Manager Portal navigation options. Here you will see the calls made to and from your organization within the specified date range. Clicking the filter button will allow you to change the date range of the calls displayed. You can filter for calls from a specific user, caller number, dialed number, or call type. You can export the call history into a CSV file by clicking the Export button. You can also configure a scheduled export to be set by clicking the Scheduled Export button. Click the New Export button to configure a new call history export. On the Scheduled Export page, you will see the field to name the scheduled export. Then the type of export, monthly, which will let you select the day of the month the report is sent, weekly, which will let you select the day of the week and the time to start the scheduled export, daily, which will allow you to select the time you want the export to start, custom will allow you to set the period of time you want to capture, the time you would like the export to start, the time zone you want the export calls to be in, then allow you to configure if you would like the export to repeat and at what interval to repeat. The Also run this export immediately will send an export as soon as the scheduled export has been created. The email notification option will send a notification to the email address entered. The after completion options allow you to select what to do with the call history export. Do nothing will keep a copy locally on the Manager Portal. Email attachment will email the CSV file to the specified email address below. Upload via FTP and secure FTP will ask you for the server's credentials and the remote path the CSV file should be sent to. The Options tab will allow you to filter for just a specific extension. Select if we want the export to include inbound calls, outbound calls, headers, or filter for off-net calls only. After the scheduled export has been created, you can edit any of the options by clicking the Edit icon. You can also download the scheduled export. If call recording is enabled on your profile, device, or if the call was from a queue configured to be recorded, you can download the call. If you'd like to listen to the call without downloading the call, click the Listen icon.